Assalamu alaikum. Stand up first. Part 4. Topic Lost and Found. Khoya or Paya. Look at the pictures, listen and say with me. तस्वीर देखो, सुनो और मेरे साथ बोलो. Hi Sparrow, I found this whistle. Is this whistle yours? No, it is not. Let's ask the crow. Hi crow, is this whistle yours? No, it is not mine. Let's ask the duck. Hi duck, is this whistle yours? No. Let's ask the owl. Hi owl, is this whistle yours? No, it is not mine. Where did you find it? I found it under the mango tree. It must be Robin's. Hi Robins, what is the matter? Why do you look so sad? I have lost my whistle. Don't worry, look at this. Is this whistle yours? Oh, yes, it is mine. Thank you very much. Thank you.